Can you say your evening in English?
I get home from work.
I get home from work.
I go to the gym.
I go to the gym.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I sit on the couch.
I sit on the couch.
I scroll on my phone.
I scroll on my phone.
I make dinner.
I make dinner.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I hang out with my family.
I hang out with my family.
I get ready for bed.
I get ready for bed.
I go to bed.
I go to bed. Your turn. Say it smoothly. Ready? If you could say this, you're improving. Subscribe and learn English easily.